This hair transplant was sponsored by Seoul Guide Medical. They did not tell me what I had to say, or even that I had to say only good things or anything like that. So if you're interested in hair transplants or cosmetic surgeries or even skincare in South Korea, go check out seoulguidemedical.com and ask them for a consultation. It's free. Why not? That's right, this is the 1-year hair transplant review or results video. For those of you who don't know what I looked like before, this is what I looked like. As you can see, the corners were much higher. They were just bald spots from the start. I mean, I wouldn't call them bald spots. I just had these two empty, fine, I'll call them bald spots. Well, I don't know if that's accurate or not. But they would go all the way up to here and then come back down, which made my forehead look really, really big. But now I can draw my fingers across my forehead like this and it goes down. How awesome is that? What I really wanted when I first went to the clinic was to have my entire hairline lowered by basically a pinky's width, or even like this, really. So instead of having this big forehead, I would have something like this, which makes my face look smaller in general. Unfortunately, the only way for me to do that, really in reality, is by cutting the actual scalp and pulling it down. The thing is, even if it heals, there's a giant red scar or a very obvious scar that goes across. Funny enough, a lot of women actually use that method to fix their hairline. Why can they get away with it and we can't? Well, not we so much as me. Women usually have their hair down, so it covers the scar. It's not as obvious, so they can wear headbands and things like that. With men, especially ones like me who do their hair up, there's nothing like that that can hide the scar. So, I'm not trading my hairline now for a lower hairline with a thick-ass scar. And the transplant method wouldn't work either because it would require way too many follicles. Let's talk about the hair transplants. They're strong. Like, I can pull them without being afraid of them popping out like they're like fake implants or something that'll fall out if you push too hard or pull too hard. I've also bleached them before. See how the tips here are blonde, bleached, or whatever color they're supposed to be, and they're fine. They work just like regular hair, so it's kind of basically like magic. I don't get infections or scabs and stuff anymore. I used to during the healing process. I know it sounds bad, but it's not actually that bad. I would go back for my monthly checkup and be like, you have to clean them properly and put the medicine on. I don't know if it's medicine or whatever, but you have to clean them properly, otherwise they're gonna keep getting infected. And I was like, I just a dirty boy. I don't get those infections anymore. Once again, none of the process was painful at all, except for the anesthetic shots right at the beginning. The healing process didn't hurt at all. Zero pain. Incredible if you think about it, but no pain at all, which is super weird. The procedure itself, very happy with it. Very happy with the way it turned out. And I do like how my hair looks much more now with the styling, because it's not so, the hair isn't so high up anymore. Like, it's at a normal height. The thing is also, I wasn't balding. These empty spots, these bald spots, weren't there because I was experiencing balding. That's a completely different thing. It's just the way that I was born. If I was balding, I probably wouldn't go through with this procedure. Because the thing is, the hair that you move from the back up here will keep growing like fully, because hair doesn't usually bald down here, I think I read somewhere. And so there's actually a lot of cases of people balding that had their widow's peaks filled in, and then it just left them with these two tufts of hair while the rest of their hair continued to bald, which is really weird. And basically, if I start doing that, I'm just gonna shave my hair clean. It's better to look like a Chinese monk than a Chinese clown. Ain't nobody want to look like Krusty. I hope this was informational for you if you're looking for like results of hair transplants. So you should still do your research. Being informed is the best way for you to get the best deal that you can on whatever procedures you are looking for. And as always, stay fancy.
Seoul is the capital of plastic surgery, skin, dental, vision correction, and other medical treatments. Seoul Guide Medical is here to find you the best doctors, the best procedures, and take care of you from start to finish. Contact us at consult@seoulguidemedical.com for a free consultation with our specialists. Let us take care of everything and create a customized treatment plan that is right for you. We help you with airport pickup, accommodations, in-clinic translations, aftercare, and hold your hand every step of the way. Visit our website at soulguidemedical.com for more information. Soul Guide Medical. Happy patients, always.